Good afternoon. I'm Jason. This is Rambling 4x4 Adventures. And today I'm doing an upgrade on my Go Fast camper. Let me show you what I got. So I ordered the beginning of August. They came out with some new stuff for the Go Fast campers, like a new tent, new locks, and other things. And so I opted to get new locks. Okay, so this is them, and they are beefy, let me tell you. The other locks have this one-sided key, and I fight that thing every single time to try to get it in there to turn it. That actually works pretty easy, but most of the time it doesn't. And so this is going to have two-sided locks. So let's open it up and see what we got. Yay. So here, two-sided key should fit right in there just perfectly. We got new hardware and some new seals. So it looks like, if we look at the old ones, these have some strings on them. So it looks like if we just take this screw out, the lock will just come out. And then we have a seal that'll go around on this side. And then we just slip the new lock in. So let's try it and see how it works. Yeah, so the previous owner added these strings because I think he used it to pull down to close this, because he would climb in from the inside, and I use a ladder, so I don't really do that. So I'm not sure if we'll put those back on there or not. No. Boom. Okay, so that's the old lock, just popped right out. Now we'll get the hardware for the new one. So we have the seal, keep water out. Okay. And then we'll put around, I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here. So here's the seal. So I'm just putting it around so it fits down on everything, just so. And we should be able to just drop that bad boy right in with no problem. Actually, get some of the dirt off of this side. Okay, give me one sec. So I'm curious about what's missing on these. This is the old one, and this is the new one. It has a screw here, so I guess you can kind of tighten the lock to suit your needs, so it's nice and snug. The screws are all missing on all the locks on this one. Okay, so there's that, and then here's the new clip. And the screw. So looks like the screws are the same. I'm going to go ahead, just to make this easy, I'm going to use the same screw with the new clip. That looks good. Now it's locked right now. So unlock it. right, let's try it out. Okay, so that's locked. That's not locked. So let's see what's happening here. That's locked. Oh, we're getting a key. Okay, so you see when that locks, it presses down on that. This new one, you okay, puppy? You okay? This new one misses it completely. So it doesn't lock. So it looks like that's adjustable. Okay. All right, so I figured it out. These guys slide up and down. It was down, so it didn't work. This one's up. So I just pushed it up. And when I pushed it up, it just locks in there just perfectly. And then you can use that to snug it up, which I did. And so there's no give at all. It's nice. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do, let's see how this one locks onto there. So that should be pretty straightforward. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other ones real quick. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. There's one screw, and you drop it in. The nut that's actually on the new ones, it needs to go on the other side when you actually put it in. So this is the way it comes, and this side right here is what rests up against the lock. So you have to reverse this to the other side. No biggie, pretty simple, but that's it. I appreciate you watching, and like and subscribe. Thanks so much. All right, welcome. I'm Jason. This is Rambling 4x4 Adventures. And hey, good afternoon. I'm Jason, and this is good afternoon. Good afternoon.